Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Today we're going to look at a couple bars I picked up from my LCS, and these things are really cool. Love these bars, and I was so thrilled to walk in and see them sitting there. I've had my eye on these for a while, and as you know, these bars always carry a premium. For whatever reason, I'm willing to pay the premium, but as I'll demonstrate later, I got these for a great price. So let's go ahead and take a look. So any of you silver stackers out there are probably familiar with Geiger. Geiger's a German company, and they've always made awesome stuff, and they've been around a long time. So I keep my eye out. I look on eBay, and I keep my eye out for these bars. I recently bought one. Well, not recent. It's been a few months ago now. I bought a 10-ounce bar from Atmex, and I have a video on that. But these other ones, I've been keeping my eye on and trying to find, and they don't come up that often, and although you can find them, they usually have a very high premium. And I'm not one who likes to pay a lot of money for premium, so I have to really like it to pay it. But for some reason, I really like these Geiger bars. So I got myself, and both of these came from the same place, so I walked in and I had them both. So I got myself a 100 gram, and I'll put it under the bar cam here in a minute, 100 gram Geiger bar, and a 250 gram Geiger bar. This thing's kind of hard to pinch between the fingers. It's pretty heavy. So a little over 8 ounces, 250 grams, a little over 8 troy ounces. So the thing's just beautiful. So let's go back and let's put this little one first. Little one, it's over 3 ounces. I call it little. Underneath the bar cam. Let's take a look at it. Now these things come with the shrink wrap on them from the manufacturer, and although it doesn't make it look really pretty, I want to leave it on there. So I'm certain that if we were to take that shrink wrap off, we'd be pretty impressed with what this bar looked like, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it on there. So these bars you can put under black light. You can validate the authenticity with it, so that's pretty cool. They got security measures built into them, and I switched my filter on here so we could see a little bit better. So this is a Geiger. I believe the middle word there is German for fine silver, 999, 100 gram. Then they got a picture of their facility on the bar as well. So that's really cool. And then they also have a serial number. For whatever reason, they don't stamp it on the bar. They put like this little label on there with it, which I guess that's fine. That's another reason they keep the shrink wrap on there, to keep the label there. But they do have a serial number, and they are really cool. Again, over 3 ounces, 3.2 I believe is the calculation. Geiger fine silver. So let's take a look at this bigger bar. This guy is heavy. Geiger Metalli, I believe is how you say it. Fine silver, 999, 250 grams. Wow, isn't that thing beautiful? This thing as well, oops, told you it's heavy. This thing as well has a serial number. It's on the bottom instead of the side. And let's flip it over. Again, it has the security features. LEV. And yeah, that's really cool. So what do you guys think? Pretty awesome, huh? So let me tell you what I paid for it. So this turns out to be a little over 11 ounces between the two of them. And one of the things that I did was I stood there right in front of the guy at the counter of the local coin shop. I pulled up my eBay app and I looked for him on eBay. And I just wanted to make sure I was getting a good deal, even though I was pretty sure I was. So most of the stuff on eBay, well, first of all, I couldn't even find a 100 gram. The 250, I think I found a couple of them, and they were pretty high. They were over $200. $220 is what I saw. I believe 3 of them. So I did the calculations for what they wanted to get for it, and it was about $1.60 per ounce over spot. Now, if you go out to Atmex and look at the other online retailers, you'll find that a lot of the Geiger silver is $5 or $6 over spot, especially at the ounce level. Like I believe an ounce of the Geiger is about $21, and obviously spots below 15. So you pay a premium for this stuff. So when I saw that it was $1.60 over spot, I had to jump on it. And even the bigger bars, like the 10 ounces, is still well over $3 over spot. I know that's what I paid for it when I bought it. So I thought it was a really good deal. I paid $185 for the two of them. So again, I mean, I didn't mean to be rude to the guy, but you know, you need to check your data and make sure you're getting a decent deal. I mean, I knew they'd come with a premium, but frankly, a lot of even rounds, you go to coin shows or whatever, they want $16 for them. I mean, right now, that's about $1.20 over spot. But silver frequently has been down around 14.50, 14.60, whatever, and that's pretty close to a round being just as much as these Geiger bars. And these things are nice. I could turn around and flip these right now and make some money off them, but I don't want to. I don't buy to flip. I buy for wealth preservation and to store. So that's my plan. But these things are just gorgeous. Love them. That's it for now. I appreciate you watching. Give me a like if you would, and subscribe if you haven't. And remember, let's keep talking bullion.